So you can see the color vibrancy. There is a Samsung. This is a Toshiba. We are going to be unboxing the Toshiba Fire TV. This is the Ultra HD, so UHD 4K. It comes with Dolby Vision. Now, this personally is the 43-inch. It's very affordable. Now, what are the best features on it? I believe that because it has the Fire TV built in, there's no need for dongles. There's no need for add-on pieces. It is gonna be perfect right out of the box. You just have to plug it into the wall. You can set it anywhere you want. No need for mounts. And Regza Engine 4K, this is their color processor. It is very much improved. It is very much improved. And once I show it to you, you're gonna really get a good feeling for how it works. DTX Virtual X audio. You have your Bluetooth built in. It comes with 4 HDMI ports, and it has low latency because it's just that new technology from Toshiba. So let's unbox it. So in order for me to unbox it, we're gonna take it here and let's open it together. So it's brand new, so it's never been unboxed, so we're opening it. Here's what it looks like from behind. And you can see that you have all your electronics here, and then you'll have your 4 HDMIs, you have your 2 USBs, your antenna cable, your LAN, your digital optical in-out, you have your AV ins, you'll have your AC input right here, so where you plug it in, and that's what the back looks like. This is your user manual, your warranty card, your power supply cord. You have your power supply cord, your screws to attach to your mount on the bottom, your remote. This is your Fire TV remote, your installation guide, and your warranty card. You notice that it doesn't have a big bezel, and that's something super clean that I like about this one. They really thought and then put some idea into the design. This is the newer remote too, so you'll see on the remote it comes with Disney Plus now. Disney Plus, because Disney Plus is pretty new, so they give you a Disney Plus button. And that's what the remote looks like. It feels a little bit more solid than the last generation Fire TV remotes. Let's turn our TV. Our TV, let's see what it looks like. Here it is for the first time. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to set this up and what the color looks like. Do we need to calibrate it? And how bright is this? So, it looks really good. Now I'm talking to you looking at a 4K monitor. This is clean. This is super clean. So I'm gonna sign into my internet. Connection successful. Wow, 15 pounds. So this TV weighs 15 pounds. So it's really light. It's really easy to transport around with you. We'll just go to our trailer. So let's just watch a trailer. Let's watch for something that you want to see a lot of color. So this is after I calibrated it. You can see what the color looks like. All the detail. Let's turn off the lights. I'm going to turn off. Very nice picture. So this comes with the DTX Virtual X technology, which is scalable and it's versatile. The audio output is going to be improved. It comes with the upgraded audio output. So if I attach this to a sound bar, so right now in my studio we have a Roku stream bar. So this comes with Fire. I don't want to use that. We'll probably install our Bose on it. Now, it also comes with Dolby Vision HDR and HDR10, so you can see the color vibrancy. It has 4 times the resolution of 1080p, and the Regza Engine 4K is Toshiba's high-performance 4K engine for stunning picture quality with ultra-essential PQ technology combined with high-quality LCD panel. It means that the TV is light, it's easy to use, everything, all the interface is just the Fire, so everything you can do from the app. I can recommend this TV because it checks all the boxes. The things you'll be looking for when you're looking for a large panel TV is you're looking for a great color, you're looking for a bright screen, you're looking for the Dolby virtual X audio. You're looking for the Dolby HDR. You're looking for affordability. You're looking to have it able to be mounted on a wall. It checks all the boxes without breaking the bank. And you can see how good the color is right here. It speaks for itself. Thank you.